This is going to be a short guide on how to adjust temperature of your hot water heater. The tools you'll need for this are a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. The Phillips head is to remove the screws holding in the panel. Flathead is to adjust the temperature dial. First step is to find your breaker for your hot water heater. Open it. Turn off the hot water heater to avoid electrical shock. There's warnings all over this thing. Next step is find your panel that is covering your temperature dial. Most hot water heaters will have 2 heating coils. Sometimes they can be behind 2 panels. This one is compact, so it's behind 1 panel. Next step is to remove those 6 screws holding the panel on. Okay, after you remove the panel, there's going to be insulation that is stuffed in there. All you have to do is pull it out, and there's 1 heating coil. Pull out the other insulation. There's the other heating coil, and right in there is the temperature dial. There's hazards and warnings all over it. On the cover, it gives a scale of temperatures and dangers, but all you do is take your flathead screwdriver, and right in there on that dial, just turn it to your desired temperature with the warnings in mind on each heating element. Right in there. And once you set them to your desired temperature, just replace the insulation. And then replace the cover with those 6 screws and turn your breaker back on.